cutting some into Jedani, comes on Chuji Jabo, Jimmy the Jeda, Juja, but Zombie Jador, Timame Balango, the goes on Gibachi, Gunita, taking jobs and Chio, Giovanni, Tamjid. Took the Jimmy Guni, Jesus, the one that does, Kangasha on Tabimongo, Kazan Zimbi, Nada, Shin, Simbisi, Sinders around Rogan, make it to Jindama, Kunichor, and Dickens on the Comchip. Tuang be maga be cha be tring da le yin zo jong gang ge da la ri ba la ba dang do ji den ji me nga ji den zo la ba za da wang ge zhen le bi ngo ji ting jian la mi da zhong xi da zhong ro bi lo na qu le jiu gang da zu ji dong ge ji den na de xie lo nan ji ba gang se da ding da den bi qu ji cham ba na nian bu de ba ta dan de xie xi la yi ge na la dan ne jing ge zhe bam da da me yi ge nam jian ro ba kun ji da ki ji ni ba Tamchike the dog chuten dos. Lasso and drink dang agadvala chutungala. That's your number permit samala. A tomar tashidelesia is.
First, I'd like to say tashdele to everyone who is joining me here tonight in this teaching.
Ane that ring aso be di jetang ta. Chikasrita Tony get sorry. Or that Ningdang associate some upon one you core. They didn't he becomes Papatere.
So tonight we're going to be talking about the profound teachings of emptiness and particularly the teaching that's referred to as the 4 applications of emptiness.
And there is on the and so that Chetang Peta Tamba. Sanjichum den digeta, chunkorumbasum singing the Kobares.
So, just a general presentation is that the Buddha, our teacher, the Buddha, gave what we refer to as the 3 turnings of the wheel of Dharma, or 3 kind of sections of teachings.
Ani tambo de Varanasi korche, niba de ta zago pungla sopal korche, simba de anita kasirechi, ta yangbache. La sopata mangi pini namsa kores tan dodino ushuna.
And so in brief, the Buddha taught that first turning of the wheel of Dharma, the first set of teachings in Varanasi, the second at the Vulture's Peak in Rajgir and some other locations also, but primarily at the Vulture's Peak, and the third in Sravasti and some other, they refer to it as uncertain locations, meaning he taught in various different places.
That ring as a decision, and it is home than Galayata, the ring down as a jetang da pa, ka, farba, get any chumor that day. That jetang didn't re.
And so we don't have a lot of time to get into all the details of all of that, but just in brief, the teaching that we're going to be talking about this evening is coming from that middle turning of the wheel, the middle teachings.
And in the ka parba de tata. Pagida Jabikop said that Doji Denginia Satavalaya, Nama Jabo Zukening Bukata, Jasak Ni, that was a and it developed that Sago Pumpu Reseta, that Rechi Yore. Da Kachin di Rengo Tavala, Ani Jatang ta Kaparba, Mambo Sumbare, Dinun, any Tata di Shirab Nimbo setting in di, Ani Tavala Sumbi, that link it to the Yores.
And so most of those middle teachings, then middle time teachings, were taught in a kingdom called Rajgir. And so that's very close to Bodh Gaya. And there was a king of that area named Dzogchen Nyingbo. And so that place is called the Vulture's Peak. And at the top of that mountain is a place where many of those middle turning of the wheel sutras were taught. And in particular, our present subject, which is the Heart Sutra.
That is home that Valaya da Sumbigi Chu de la that number needs say yade. Nute Toniger Bassage down Bedon Montoger Bassage Niore. That they do Muspin at John Den de Getang Tony sound, your chiji in the He Jenny. Tela ani Eugene Higgin Yams Lantonke, he yare, that telemute Tonis. That tendage in Namja by the Yams Leon, the Tangaso Samgonolata, Sada Lam, you want to go about the chain, they didn't have be done with Sodogoni Yachini, or tenders Geneta, Yudukala, Tadilla Hintachimu Ninge, and then the Dr. Tomini, with a Tony down, Bedon on to Seni, that Sechini, Lamning Travelers.
And so in those teachings, in the presentation of those teachings, they can be distinguished, the middle turning of the wheel teachings, into kind of two categories, which are the directly spoken teachings of emptiness, or the kind of the emphasized teachings of emptiness, and what's referred to as the hidden meaning teachings of the stages of one's experiences and realization in terms of those teachings that are explicitly stated. And so what that means is that what was directly explicitly stated was that the object of one's practice or of one's realization is the Dharma Dhatu, or the basic space of phenomena, and that it is realized through the subjective mind, which we refer to as a primordial wisdom, or pure awareness, and so forth. And so that's the main topic of the sutra. And then what is not directly expressed, but what is considered as the kind of hidden meaning of that expressed or explicit statements is the progressive stages, when a yogi or a practitioner is actually practicing those teachings of emptiness or of that Dharma Dhatu. Then the progressive stages of experiences and realization that will be generated in the mind stream of that practitioner. And so in connection with those two types of teachings, the explicit teachings of emptiness and the hidden teachings of the bodhisattva bhumis, the stages of realization, and so forth, they were explicitly talked about or emphasized by these two great, what we call the charioteers of India, which are Nagarjuna, who taught these main teachings of emptiness, and Arya Asanga, who emphasized the hidden teachings of the paths and bhumis, and so forth.
That's all. And that then the songs are that so big that Shirab Bukorang, that was Jena. Then it tenjogun on the Yod, the Manchiva, the Bedung on to Gurbata, on to Tayam Chimo Shirab Jiparts, Tigi Chani, Manchiva, and the Hijavore.
Bedouin.
Oh, then the Hijimitatis of Gurbal, Shirab Nimukorang de, the name the Shishang Solachini, the Manchiva de Tere. Inada Tony that be with the Tony Tadichin in the Hijab just at the gata you delivery. The Takahi Jigian Sanga Tadichin and the Hijab and the Yore. The Takachin don't do sooner than Azota, want to go to here and take those.
And so in those teachings about the Heart Sutra, so in the commentarial texts, which are found in the Tengyur, which are the translated commentaries, mainly from the Indian tradition, the early commentaries from India on the Heart Sutra, most of them are emphasizing those, the hidden meaning teachings about the experiences and realizations, the paths of stages and paths of realization, and so forth, which are in the traditional Buddhist education system referred to as the perfection of wisdom teachings, which are not just, are more often about or emphasizing the stages of experience and realization, and less about the explicit topic of emptiness. And so there are also in the Tengyur, in those Indian commentaries, there are also some teachings, some commentaries, which are about the explicitly stated teachings of emptiness. And there are even some which explain the Heart Sutra through the lens of the Vajrayana or the mantra teachings. But anyway, we're going to focus on the explanations from the perspective of the hidden meaning explanations of the experiences and realizations of emptiness.
Oh, that's so. Yeah, that's what the nigga don't know the mom with the machine. Ani da that this songs and da ani that dino ni dari da nga so gata shejitela ya train da toni yibjurk that ripati tane she and which tended yore that did ni that shirab nimbo that some to shirab nimbo da the korong na lo lata savik da rawate da Ripando Tama, Tony Ten Bubsik Taco, Savi Dodung the card said the Tony Hibjur setting it is.
And so let's put aside all of those complications that I was just talking about and get into the main topic here. And so what we were discussing, what we kind of told you this teaching was going to be about is this reasoning, which is called the 4 applications of emptiness. And so in the profound sutra of the heart, the profound teachings of the Heart Sutra, that is the the kind of primary logic that it follows, or what we could call the primary method by which it establishes emptiness.
아니 내가서 별을 다다 롱던 첨보 다 시작근세 다 롱던 첨보 아니 디 돈이 집저데 지구라 되네 마 곰당지 송자요리 데베 도데고 코데마치 마토문도.
And then in Tibet we have one teacher named Rangtong Shecha Kunzik. And he has a text that he composed, which is just one page in length, but it is only about this teaching of the four applications of emptiness.
아니 다 공부는 도도로 해봐이나 아니 당보다 냠내 제동들라 아니 라민 남주제 아니 잠도제 샘제제 된데 송야.
And so then to summarize what he discusses, he begins the process of working with this four applications of emptiness, starting off with some Guru Yoga, and then taking refuge and generating bodhicitta.
가르쳐보라. 알레 드나치 요사마레.
Yeah, it's not like I asked other people and they said it's fine.
What is that?
Mi shamba ke da ta drog do segido, rinzin chipu ke de do segido.
Oh, le laso. Ale tadi rinzin che dwala chi yenda chi dina rupa chingenda chi yobela ta magin chore ba. Naso dini chore ba.
He said there's an echo.
Ale kon de dracha ro chi do segido.
Oh.
Ta kon mishi.
Oh.
Mi shamba ke de men do segido.
Oh. Naso. Ale tena chi ta. Naso. Ani
De
당연히 가만히
라면요 주제 잡로 심지제
되지. 아니 다 누이 될야 다 가르송도세나. 되네 따와게 되네 주빈 타게 봤어. 다 따와게 배 곰자게 더한테 배다 타제니 되네 타 싱싱 받들다 당고 타제 거래서 주빈 타제지. 남도 그 주바 당게 좀 타제 봤지.
And so then when he gets into the main practice or the main section of his text here, then it begins with the section which refers to as the view cutting through all of the conceptual extremes. And so that means that you are eliminating all of your conceptual elaborations about the object of meditation. And so you examine until you cut through all of those misunderstandings or conceptual elaborations about emptiness. And so you come to a decisive conclusion about what the object of meditation is. And then the second is that the way in which you will practice that meaning that you've concluded on in meditation.
And that the lesson that they call Labudoa and as a tambo, Pechambo Semche, that or Laminam Jodo, Jambo Senche Laminam Jodo, and in Dinima. 가세레 담보 곰자겠던데 제타와 기는 통화서 아니 니바더니 선바들다 냠슬래온데 갈라더니 다다 따위 강 타쳐봐 디토라 되니 니바체 오다 도데오도
So it's very simple procedure then. So first we have this practice of Guru Yoga, taking refuge, generating bodhicitta. And then we get to the point where we can see the object of meditation precisely as it is. So that's the concluding or deciding upon the object of meditation, reaching the conclusion about that meditation. And then third, we put that into practice. So what we're putting into practice is the view. Just as we have come to that ascertainment or that conclusion about what the view is, we rest in the state or in the recognition of that view that we've concluded about. So we're done, right? We can just call it. Yeah. So when I get into the extensive explanation of this, I'm not going to, I think it's not necessary for me to give any kind of discussion about refuge and bodhicitta at this point.
tene tawage tene triba tache basede
And so what I want to get into then, I'm going to talk a bit now about that second point, which is in the main body of practice, which is how we come to the conclusion about the view.
아니 다 ngasoji 다 tripaseung de kala ta ngaso semgeta namtu gundo tang jilada tripasege balata ta ngaso pe chetong nangba hina de namtu ta de kundu jekhe yetong ne che yore se yore tan dor du sona ani ngaso de che ye ba da me ba da ni ka main ba singen da ta ta ka chen tha chigla phandro dinge chi ta ngara pin dini phadro nan tha dana da chi dini mandro nan tha dana da chi dini do nan tha dana da chi ta ka chen ngaso ta tha chigla ma hlong de che chi ni ta ngaso ge sem de nam je ta tha chigla hlong de ta de la da tri ba da wo ta.
And so what we always refer to as in Dharma language, we often talk about as elaborations or conceptual elaborations. And that just is another term that refers to the way that your conceptual mind works, like the way of thinking, your way of thinking about things. And so in the Buddhist teachings, we often say that there are 84,000 conceptual thoughts or 84,000 thoughts that you could have. But in brief, those all come down to something like this. You know, we think that something exists, or rather it doesn't exist, or it's both existing and non-existing, or neither existing nor non-existing. And so what that means is that our mind is always trying to say it's this or that. So it wants to go over here and then to this extreme of existence or of some kind of concept about the object of our thoughts. We think it's over here, or maybe it's over here, or it's over here. But either way, we want to conclude on what it is.
아니 가세랭 가서 레바 대소 탐지 소직레마도 싸는 마땅나 대가랑의 요 요로 요르세지
그래?
레바 나서 레바 지미데
요요.
답에는 취직을 싸는 땅선 고 대가랑의 파 요진 레바데 연다고 배제 매바차 근데 차는 거를 라고도.
And so all of those things are what we refer to as the conceptual elaborations or the elaborations of our mind. And so I've heard that that scientists say that when your mind is occupied in one direction, like if you're just thinking about Dharma or something like that, you're thinking about one particular thing, that the other parts of your mind kind of shut down, that you just get stuck in that, all of your energy of your mind goes to that one part.
And tende sonzanda jetang be jing ngaso ge dana ngui bi ni chole sam tang ba ina dan ta ma hong ba ji ing go do dan ta long so na ta khona ma do me ba cha do ba te re men do nga so gari ina sipa chin do de ti ye je de kon ta ma long ba ji ni ko ye di bi jim sen te ni ani re do ina ta nga so lo den ta long do da.
And so our minds are always the way we describe it is falling into one direction or the other, or one extreme or one conclusion or another. And so if we think about the real situation of things, it's that they don't fall into one extreme mode or another, and that they are what we can call and then she can't
ta ko nga so ma si do ta ma sing de ta ka sin ta ga la ya ma hong ba ji ta ko chuni sing de de ji re do.
So the true reality, you know, it's like we use other words for not falling into any extreme. We call it the middle way, for example. It means that doesn't the true reality of something, the real situation of something isn't in one or the other of these conclusions that our mind can come up with. So not falling into any extreme is like this. If I pull it over here, then it's fell into one extreme, right?
Oh yeah. And that the song that so beji chuni de ta ma hong ba ji du ane ta nga so de lo te an da lo se go ma re ta di here de de ta la ma hong ba ina ane nga so ngu bi de cha ta wa yin de to tong de mi na ma tong ma to ma hi sing da chi.
And so just as the true reality itself doesn't fall into any extreme or what we could say any kind of conclusion about its existence or what it truly is, it is like unbiased, we could say, or it doesn't fall into any extreme. then if the mind, which is trying to see that reality, also doesn't fall into any particular conclusion or any particular extreme, then we could say that that mind then realizes or sees or is experiencing the true reality. And if the mind falls into any extreme in its relationship with that true reality, we say it does not see the true reality. It does not realize or recognize that true reality.
Okay. 아니 다 나서 제똥게 다 뭐지나 다 나서 semjen이나 다 타라 롱도르다. 다된 타라 롱니 다고 샘게 쥐바 남도 저바 예바데 타라 롱주레. 다디 제제데 갑드나 다 우마노니 히용데 따와데 히데 히어다. 다 따비고니 에니카세레 마기 타라 롱디비 다다디 쥐바 나 저바다 사리스레 망보여 등에 대해서 탐 제제라데 디 따와데 인고 요레.
And so generally speaking, all humans fall into some extreme or another. And so the thing that is falling into extremes are these conceptual elaborations, all of these various clustered, busy thoughts in our minds. And so the thing that cuts through those thoughts in this context, so in the context of these, middle way teachings or emptiness teachings, the thing that cuts through those thoughts, which are causing us to fall into one extreme or another, is the view. And so it is by way of the view that we cut through all of those conceptual elaborations that fall into one extreme or one kind of what we could say conclusion or another.
Okay. 자, 다 딩에 따와데 시. 아니, 다디 가세레 다디 따와 따와 다디 쥐제라디 다 따와 세운데 다 같이디 시르고 다 제따와기는 통비때 니로부터 시럽되게 아니 제따와기인데 아니 니로 통니 타쳐바 강인바데 따와 차로 걸어라다 따와세도 시럽 강시게 아니 파기 역 니로 강인바데 통니 타쳐주될 따와세도 걸어다.
And so when I'm talking about the view right now, and so when we talk about the view, what a view is when your sublime intelligence, your wisdom mind, when it sees an object or the reality just as it is and reaches a conclusion about that, it is certain about that. That's what's called the view.
라서 야 다데 데네 용어 제발라 아니 가서 다 다리 드나야 다 돈이 입절 거드네 봐 세대다 돈이 입절 세대겠다디 다 돈이 입절 거드더니 다 마히니 아니 디 히럽라 템톱 디고니 아니 여기 니록 쳤다와 있는 통된 통할 때니 아니 다 샘그 두바 연다돼서 봐 체제니 아니 근데 제로 요래 다 샘그 강바다 라빠라 소바다 지고 사레사레 따다 카블라 소바다 요지돼서 봐 체제니 어떻게 제거.
And so it's by the way of this reasoning of the four applications of emptiness that we can come to that conclusion about the view, that we can, with our discriminating intelligence, we can see the true reality of things. And so once we have seen the true reality of things, then that seeing will cut through all of our conceptual elaborations, all of our bygone, our thoughts about things, or our those thoughts that fall into the extremes and so forth. And then that's how we can cut through all of these, Kimball was joking, like all of our limbs, we could say, of thought. So we cut off all our arms and our legs and our beard and our mustache and everything.
라서 아니 다데 송단다 알랭게디 돈이 입절세 다 돈이 입절데 다 zogjegle jargore serala zogjegle jarbi zogjegle tani kasere jargore.
And so when we're talking about the four applications of emptiness, we want to apply this to some particular form. So in the actual text, it says form is emptiness. Emptiness is form. Emptiness is not other than form. Form is also not other than emptiness. So first it says emptiness is form, form is emptiness, right?
아니 양 동반이 코랑데 속에서는 양자철로
And then it comes back saying, well, form is emptiness, but also emptiness itself is also form.
아니 조딜이 옌비게 동반이 세지 로가를 요마다스.
And then it says that emptiness is not other than form, meaning that there's no emptiness just over here that's separate from some form.
양 동반이 딜리 옌비게 양 조세지 요마다스.
And similarly, or continuing, there's also no form that is other than emptiness itself.
Okay. 아니 디체나바 디 실은 민복 나한테나디 요래.
So this is in the Heart Sutra.
하트잖아. 다가래 조
So one more time. Form is emptiness.
동반이 조수.
Emptiness is form.
조글리 동반이 예마이.
Emptiness is not other than form.
동반이리 조 예마이.
Form is also not other than emptiness.
Okay. 아니 데네 손다 답변에 소소를 쳤다 나랑을 잡아이나. 아니 캠보 동반이.
So we can apply this to ourselves as well. For example, Kempo is emptiness.
Emptiness is 아니 동반이 캠보스.
Yeah, emptiness is Kempo.
캠보리 동반 예요 말이.
Emptiness is not other than Kempo.
동반리 캠보 예요 말이.
Kempo is also not other than that emptiness.
아니 Justin 동반이.
Justin is emptiness.
동반이 Justin.
Emptiness is Justin.
Justin리 동반이 예요 말이.
Emptiness is not other than Justin.
동반이리 Justin 예요 말이.
Justin is not other than emptiness.
다 조게기 땡데나 아니까지레 파디자 츠디자 파디자 츠디자로도 그 위에 찬도도 와.
So when we take like one form or one thing and we go back and forth, that becomes 4 applications, right?
아니 다 던데디 카르스고르세나 다 나서 다다 조낭데와 대가랑 똥바레 델리 옌바지라 똥바요 마레 던다 데코요레.
And so what's the meaning of all of this? Like, what does any of this even mean? So something that appears as a form to us, that form itself is emptiness. Emptiness is not something that's different from that form.
베나 나레 로가 아니 나랑 그 똥바지요나 아니 데다 나랑 그 양나 크런다지 코체 양나 샤몬다고지 거지 양나 한국도고지 야 그런 거에다 차그래 봤어.
And so if my emptiness was something separate from me or something different or other than me, then maybe it's got to be like a hat or that I wear or a jacket or some boots that I pull on my feet or something like that.
데네 칼리요 사레와 다 나랑 대사 강바지 나랑 그 똥니 대사 강바지 닌고 사레와.
That would be difficult because then like, I would need my own place to stay. Then I'd need some other place to keep my emptiness in, right?
근데 성당고 주니 세데 가세 조 코랑 똥바 차데레 똥바 코랑 조 차데레.
And so, but in the true reality, form itself is emptiness, and the emptiness itself is that form.
다데 희용도 가가 희고라 온 캠보 세제히 캠보 그 똥바니 세지 제히지.
But when we talk about it, we have to talk about them kind of separately. We say Kempo is one thing and the emptiness of Kempo is another thing.
Okay, understand? 다데 가서베 디 땅보 고야 되베 가르침 보지레 봤.
So in the beginning, this is very important for us to understand, isn't it?
아니 다제당 드나 히야 멍다도르 마도 다제당 동반 등의 동바 된더 동 옌바트리 요레 빼는 닌고라 라초 메지데 데니 가세레다 동니 델라데 동니세 옌엔데 야가탄탈 요레.
So there are, we don't want to get into too much of this, but there are other assertions about emptiness, like there are some Indian traditions that said, when they were talking about what emptiness is, they say the fact that there are no horns on my head is a kind of emptiness or a type of assertion of emptiness.
Hola, so yeah, da depache chenambaga da hako yozo is. Yeah, you guys understand this, right? And then that the gasere that dan di tongni yibjo di kola da jaga gan kipa de so retong reg ramada mambo jindo reg mambo jindos.
And so there are this particular teaching of the four applications of emptiness, there are amongst the great masters of India, there are actually quite a few different ways of explaining this.
아니 다 벤트다 차나 도지 공거제나 다 베난 다 나소도지 다 나소도 세미다 간자 간야로마지 세고로다 산제다 산주스 바지 아니 가세리 냠야게 체나다니 요 스튜더 남카 따비지리야 아니 지털마 다운드 갈라더니 다 베네지 지마다 몰라 따비다 노말라스부터 지미 빼빼 망보 송자도 덴르지 똑제 아니 덴더비 간자 되게 아니 옌다라 다 덴더고 돈드이 간자데서 탐질라더니 되네 조동바 돈바니 조소 조리 돈바니 예마이 돈바니레 조 예마이노 시네만데 헤제 촌다고 덴다도
And so there's one ancient Indian Pandita master named Vajrapani. And he explained that like when someone like a Buddha or a Bodhisattva is resting in their meditative equipoise on the freedom from all conceptual elaborations in this space-like absorption, then after they arise into their post-meditative experience, they realize all phenomena to be like an illusion or a dream, and that he lists off a lot of other examples of illusions. And so then in order for them to express their realization to another person who may wish to understand emptiness or may wish to realize emptiness, then they explain it in this way. They say, form is emptiness, emptiness is form, form is not other than emptiness, emptiness is not other than form. And so if you guys realize emptiness, you should teach that to other people in the same way.
Di nga so be jango mohon mu chege chi song le den ro pe do wa ma tanjo ba da rang jo ba se ni yo da wa ma khron ma de jin de wa ma tanjo ba ge zo gare ma hye hyo re sen phao pa nam je nyam ya de ne pe de tu de nam kha ta bel de ne ya yo ba de ga che ta wa yin de kho ma de hye je bu yo re wa ma rang ji ba se de nge de ge ji tha ta jima ta bu ge de ka se cholom che de ba de zo wa ma de hye ja And
Mipam Rinpoche says something that is really on point. So there's two types of explanations of the middle way or Madhyamaka teaching. So one is called the Prasangika school, and the other one is called the Svatantrika school. And so he says that the Prasangika school explains emptiness precisely as it would be experienced in the meditative absorption of an Arya, like a noble being, a highly realized being in their meditative state, where they're absorbed in that freedom from conceptualization, freedom from all conceptual elaborations in that space-like samadhi. And they explain it precisely as it would be experienced in that state of meditation. Whereas the Svatantrika school explains what emptiness would be like in the post-meditative, actions, like your conduct, which is conducting yourself in accordance with the illusion-like experiences in a post-meditative experience.
That is all going to us.
So that's really meaningful, isn't it?
And then some 100 Nima that the Pentam, Bamala Matak. Thunder Hedin, though details of Kokale Kavore, the Trumtale Jerchin Hegido, that Trumta Nil Jerchini, and Zotomba, Tombani Zo singing the Sedama like Jerche. And they need Zoli Tombani Yemai, Tombani Zo Yemaino, said the end day, and then Dode passing in Dilian Toatum Tachi, Inginica Nambari, they so good, Tawa. They part and go be chedel and the head jammy, the legend on Gado.
Tawa Kopi should do.
Takosugi, that Tawa, that the Tawa, the legend Marida say, then go be ched, the dig, the Tawa, the Tubati.
And so then we have in the Nyingma, in the early translation school, one of our great masters named Vimala Mitra. And so he gives an explanation about these four applications of emptiness, which is a bit complicated because he starts to apply it to the different Buddhist tenet systems. And so we usually talk about four tenet systems, the first two, which are called the Vaibhashika and the Svatantrika. And so he explains that the emptiness is form and form is emptiness and emptiness is form related to the Vaibhashika school in order to counter their misunderstanding about the way that they establish their own view. And so in order to refute their view of reality and to bring them to a higher level, he explains those two lines or says that those two lines are kind of related to their view of reality. And that emptiness is not other than form and form is not other than emptiness applies to the Swatantrika school, the Sutra school, which is, these are both Buddhist schools, but there are other, Hinayana or, Theravadan levels of explanations of the Buddhist teachings.
And so
we won't get into that today because to even start to talk about that, we need to talk about a lot of other things to even get to the point where we would be ready for that teaching.
Okay. And da pentanjana matak. So
there's another master, Pandita, named Janamitra. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about his explanation of this.
Toda matuban rachige, that toda matu zamje, the Nidan Tongor la Pache, the Hit Jam and Rigmana, Tangi Diniman, the Hit Javion, that chin of Zagnam, that's it.
And so Janamitra explains these four applications: emptiness or form is emptiness, emptiness is form, form is not other than emptiness, emptiness is not other than form. According to, we can talk about this, that he's talking to on the level of whether someone has realized or not realized. It's maybe just from saying that doesn't mean much, but just listen and I'm going to explain.
So let's take
this as our form. So this square form that we've got here.
That did sending the Rakio Mari, that sending to Yomari. They menton the color Zotumbani, Sine, Tambo indigenous song Yori.
And so in his explanation, he takes a particular form. Like, for example, we can take this form and we examine it. We go deeply into it and look into its essence in terms of examining its past, its present, and its future. And when you examine that and get down to the true nature of that, you realize that that you cannot find any truly existing characteristic that make up this square.
Napkin. Oh, the napkin.
And so that's where he comes, to the point of the first one where he says form is emptiness, because you don't find any truly existing characteristic of a square. And so through looking deeply into this and examining it and going down to the point where you see its nature, then you don't see any truly existing characteristics that make it a square. And so when you look at that way, you really realize that, oh, this form is empty.
That just think that the tomba ni man tongue mareva, and a kong dicas a tomba ni korang de zo, se tomba ni le zo se call la yardati.
And so Justin doesn't realize that this is emptiness. So this is emptiness, but he doesn't see that it's emptiness. So he thinks emptiness is form. So I'm laughing at him now. Because this thing is emptiness, but he keeps saying this emptiness is form. So I'm laughing at him.
Oh, this one, zo tombao, zo tombani, tombani zo.
And so then that's how he explains these two lines that say form is emptiness, emptiness is form. That the realized being sees that form is emptiness, the unrealized being sees emptiness as form. So there's only a difference between the realization of the two of us, and we can't posit any difference between the object itself. And so amongst the four applications of emptiness, that's the first two, right?
Dilin dosa tsani me seji yom ta kon tongu yomare wala ta tenda utani jode me ba indikala Then zoli yen. Then that tombani maino siraba.
And so then when I get to the point where I have examined this thoroughly and I've utterly, seen its nature, and I come to a point where there's no longer any reference to any characteristics of this as form or of any characteristics whatsoever as form or emptiness or anything, then I get to the point where I see that emptiness is nothing other than this form.
Zoli tombani yen mebanduas. That koltana.
And so when I look at this, it's really the case that emptiness is nothing other than this form.
Teni tomba ni le zog ye maino singente. Ti zog de pa yogni tomba ni kita dana ta dena. Ta dig tomba ni tani raji marista.
And then the final one, that emptiness is not other, or form is not other than the emptiness, and emptiness is not other than the form. So in the final, emptiness is not other than form. If I were to take this napkin itself and throw it away, where would its emptiness be?
Yeah,
if
where
we
is
got rid
the
of the
emptiness?
napkin, where's the emptiness?
I don't know. Reba? Tangi tomba ni di shog de marana kaya ragam do se.
So if I don't find the napkin, how can I ever find the emptiness of the napkin?
Yeah. And this home kala. And
so that's the way that the Pandita, the great scholar, master scholar, Pandita means like a master scholar kind of, the Janamitra, that's his explanation of these 4 applications of emptiness. And so when you don't see or don't find any, any real like characteristics or any defining characteristics of an object, then you can say that object is emptiness. And that emptiness itself to an unrealized being, they see that itself as form. And there is no emptiness which is something other than that form. And there is no form that you can find which is something different than the emptiness. And so there are lots of other assertions or different ways of explaining these 4, but I think it's better to just stick with this and go a little deeper into it.
Okay, little
deeper.
Little deeper, not too much. Ani ta tende som zankale ta ngaso ta rongdan chempo ge tari shi somba na yin chi cheni ta ngaso yamda wuchi la ta chi chin ta man de hi jagwe song so.
And so then Rangdun, where we started off, so Rangdun Kunzik, so he starts off his explanation about establishing the emptiness by taking a shape of some sort.
Ta dela
Square.
Sera ta dela anita ngaso mtsamaga odi garrison square
So everyone will say, yes, this is a square, right?
Yeah, square. And
if I asked you, do squares exist or does this square exist? You would say, yes, it exists. And if you said, where is it? Then you would say, oh, it's in the hands of that monk over there. And if you asked, is that thing in his hands square or not? You say, yes. Is this a square?
This is a 2? Yeah, 2.
So really, we think squares exist and this is a square.
Yeah, this is 2. Yeah.
And so everyone, you all think that squares exist, right? None of you think squares don't exist.
Yeah,
okay, squares exist, okay?
Okay.
Now, would you still call this a square?
What do you think?
Would you call this a square?
So
no one would call this a square, would they? And so that thing that you were calling a square before, is it in here or is it in here?
Oh, in the sky.
or is it in the sky,
오 가서 서울 가세라.
or is it underground?
Underground. 아니 다 다른 가서 다 트리뷰 덴바레 아니 디 트리뷰 마레세나 초롱들이 꼭바레 세 럽데디 다디 트리뷰 가발라송세.
And so you said before, the squares exist. This is a square. This square exists. But what happened to that square that you were saying existed?
Okay. This song 다지 트리뷰 대양코 같이 뜨니 약바지 마도 우니 마티바게 트리뷰 세지 라함도
And so a square is just something that you can posit or you can say exists in reliance upon certain circumstances, but it's not something that just utterly exists on its own without relying upon other factors, does it?
다 저런 속에 파기 맥노디니 통크요 말했다. 다 나게 디노는 마타네 다 디노라 데네 가세르 트레겐도 고고도 다 가세르 다 여기 봐 공차자세 디나노.
And so you all can't really see through the camera there, but when I'm looking at the surface of this napkin, it's just full of shapes. There's circles on this, there's squares on this, there's lots of little like dots on it.
야, 요새 파지 디노는 요사데.
I think I could say probably that every shape is in this napkin.
야. 당가서 뭐저 상노 당데 중앙에 상노 당가 말아. 디 차장에 찔러 들기시 랍야려다.
And so most people, they wouldn't think about the small things existing within this. They just think of the greater, this whole thing as one big thing and think of that as the square.
아니 데리마도 우니 코랑게 논라다 드겐도 로섬도 링본도 나나도
나나스나?
나나스도 파링보.
Okay.
다 코베네 데데올 나나시도알. 다 코노 데페디 다 마기 쇼기 두테레레 삼 땅선 우니 코랑 참아 담보 이야브레디도다. 데 차탄 돔니 나소기 이야브직 시기요레 마도 데 이야브직 따네레면도 디노나페 몽보레샤스.
And so really looking at this, every shape is included, can be contained within this. So when we think about the shape, we're only thinking of like this whole thing as one large package and calling that a shape. But in reality, in this, there are circles, squares, long things, short things. Everything is here within this. Even when you break this down into, really tiny particles, then there are all kinds of shapes. But we only think of this as like one great shape.
대나 얘기 다 가서 쓰지 따네 다 빼내 가랑 그 수보가 다 이야대 내가 랑레스 다리디 효대나 기지 그런 나노라다 이야 나바 나초바 라이 나바 나초바라 때니 저 도두지 제운디 이야 세지 메제기 이야 세지 야 야노지 마도 우니 이야 세디 파기라 하면도 와.
And so it's only when you take all of this, like the everything, like I was talking about, all the various shapes in this, and all of the subatomic particles and all of those things, when they come together into a certain thing you see, then you say, oh, that's the shape, that's the square. And so it's the same, like you look inwards, like look at your body, and inside your body, there's like so many different parts and pieces and particles and, shapes of different things. But then you imagine all of that as being one thing, like as the body, and then you can talk about the shape of the body.
Okay.
So the shape itself is not something which exists on its own. It's only something that is posited on the basis of other things, like a bunch of other parts coming together.
아니 다양 드바지 배차 땅에도 되이나 양 얘기 드발라 소든데 해제 잡고서래.
And so for those of you who have looked into the more philosophical texts on this subject, there's another small explanation that I should give here.
아니 좀된 되게 파길라더니 족봉바오 똥바니 족소 세니 되니 디니마 처르바다 디히단 데제다 넘버 히바스 풍봉 알마 자리야이요레 다 데이터데 되니 제나 디기다 같이 족데 다다 족 풍포세 되게 되래 족 풍포세 되게 풍봉 알이 노네 딱 가서 드지기 예수 용수 족바 강이 맞대라 다데 저족 용화 첨보 예 참가 세조데 용화 예다 되니 가서 텔지비기다 왕여라서 받대 소타래.
And so one more point here is that when the Buddha is talking in this context in the sutra, and he says that form is emptiness, emptiness is form, and so forth, then he goes on to say, it's also the case for feelings, conditioning factors, perceptions, and consciousness. So he goes through the 5 aggregates. And so when he says form in this context, he's not just talking about, he's talking about the aggregate of form, which means all conditioned things which are either the elements themselves or things which arise from the elements.
다양 zog chen 세운데 갈라 매기 요도 집에 zog 찍부로 고발해 줘시 다디 그런 건 레와 농라 내동 문다바 해이도 다 카시지기 zog 통보도 해 카시지 다다까지 민hin을 텐지겠다 zog chen 해 되는 옆에 가두니마도 요 말해와 땅에 다리디 옆들 잔 해버려.
And so there's different explanations. So in some of the commentaries that when they talk about when the Buddha says form is emptiness, emptiness is form, and so forth, they describe that as being the aggregate of form. In other commentaries, they explain it as the ayatana of form. And so the ayatana of form means the objects of your eye consciousness, which means in the Buddhist philosophy text, the only things that you can see with your eyes are shapes and colors. And so in some of the commentary texts, they explain this form as emptiness, emptiness is form as shapes and colors, like visual objects. And so that's why I was explaining from the perspective of a shape, like a square.
Okay, understand? Tape the nganda was hanji chom den di china that the region the hejabre di rajapus. That do das. Tange tarite na gi tambo de triggerevas. That dig no la tan drin do das. That no yam number not super, right number not super. And it they are na gin jonga tang the ten the zealous about that tamchi.
And so if I were the Buddha and I were talking to you and I would say, child of noble lineage, child of fortunate lineage, whatever, look at this. And so this is a square, right?
Yeah.
And so I would explain everything about this square. I would say in this square, there are so many different shapes, so many different particles, so many different things that make up this square.
Yeah. Anita de Loma de Detsama, Hakondo de Tenderendo said, oh, Rajapus. That day in the any day, Sorvata, the Hita, the Zeta, number hippie pumbo namja, Tetabre said.
And then after the student explained, the nature of this shape, then I would say, okay, fortunate child of fortunate lineage, whatever. It's exactly the same for your feelings, conditioning factors, perceptions, and consciousness.
That day on Tanon Riquates of Torbo, Teneka make me, now me, na me, Jimmy, Lume, Yime, Zome, Drame, Tremes, and it dark. I said, so pa, jerking it, all the
And then for those who are a little bit slower, who can't just understand that everything's included within that, then the Buddha would spell out everything and say, there is no eye, no ear, no nose, no tongue, no body, no mind. No form, no sound, no smell, no taste, no tactile objects, and so forth.
And it COVID chew this all at the day in Jerry, Yangdi, the Penguni, Tape Teda, Shivza, Teda usually sound the color, and Maripa Sepa me, Mepani, then a Gashime, Gashisipa de Meadow, so Yangdi chew this all.
And so then, some people may think, okay, well, yeah, it's true that none of those samsaric phenomena exist, but they think that the objects of nirvana are something like very precious, and so they think, oh, those must exist. But then the Buddha continues on to say that ignorance doesn't exist. There is also no end of ignorance. And that And so he goes through, the entire 12 links of interdependence by saying there is no ignorance. There is also no end to ignorance. All the way through, there is no birth and death, nor no end to birth and death.
And then I get in a Kawame, Drubames, and Taka said a bed lam Yamle Cheon de Galata, Caserita. Not topa, then Matapa the Yomaris. Then Tabni Yamsomatra Yomari Las Panita, happened the Himambuyorta.
And so he continues on saying that there is no increase and no decrease, meaning like for a person practicing the path, there is no realization of anything. There is also no loss of realization of anything and so forth.
Oh, that's so. 야, 다 지난비그 파체다. donda nge kare hegi dota tsutsu rawje hako tsayujires.
So I figure you've probably got a pretty good idea of the general meaning of what I'm talking about here.
Ani tende sonzang kala ta tabi taje de kala yata. Nguni hirab de peche tang ta. Hirab de peche tang. Hirab ge ani tse ngowo kang tong yung ba de la lam si yor ta. Yenda lam si yor ma ta. Ko hirab de ge tse ngowo tong ba de la lam se. Tene kab de karen tong go se di tene yor tsuk sam ma hong ba. Tene 추지 yin 다 동반이 세난다 디 축수 마홍바데 되네 통고 요래다 로데기.
And so when we come to that certainty of the view, we're using our sublime intelligence. We're using that wisdom, that prajna. And so seeing something with that wisdom is what we call a path. There's no path other than that. It is seeing the nature of something with that sublime intelligence, that wisdom, which is what we call a path. And so in this context, that means that what is it that our wisdom or our sublime intelligence is seeing? It's seeing an object which falls into no conceptual elaboration or no extreme. It is the dharma dhatu, the basic space of phenomena. It is emptiness, which doesn't fall into being or not being anything.
아니 다 텐데 송산다 나서 샘거노나 다페 군도 제틀라서 바 남도 빠데 내가 여바데서 탐지에 되네 르바 인데 다고 체체니 파길라 되네 체니 되네 고 타마델라다 고 우니 다니게다 축수 마홍비게다 되네 이히 대양 되네 연다위 희야점도 많이 봐 소속은 통도가라 아니 때라 다 소소 랑리비 히세.
And so in our minds, there are these, we call the 84,000 conceptual elaborations, 84,000 thoughts. And when those are gradually cut through, they're cut off, then eventually we reach this place where there are no longer any of these conceptual elaborations which are causing us to fall into any conceptual extreme or elaboration. And that state of mind, free from falling into any extreme, is what we call primordial wisdom or timeless awareness. And so at that point, it's no longer a matter of understanding something from someone else or from something else, but it's what we call the self-awareness. It is the timeless awareness, which is self-knowing.
다 텐데 송사 아니 다 요데 탐지 아니 가세레 똥설라 샘대한테니 남도 그 tutor 샘 요 똥설라 샘 tutor 게더니 샤나 다디 요도 유제니데 아니 텐데지 샤도도 가라 다 텔라데 가서다 가세하고다 냠래게다 And
so when the object that we're seeing is this luminous emptiness, and our mind that is viewing that luminous emptiness is free from all conceptual elaborations, if that's the situation of our mind and its object in that state, then that's what we call, the main path of practice. That is the view of reality. That is the realization.
나도 다 지수 가세요 사실.
다른 취지치기 요리.
어제 지수지 다른 레인 자셨어요. Too much. 라서 아니 다 딩에게 엔트롱소나 다 제동게 직다디 가세다 상모뽕반이기도 나오지 다다마 샘 And
so that is primarily, trying to talk about emptiness in terms of, the way it is experienced in practice, or the way that the mind experiences it in practice.
So, ani da delaya ta ji there's a chamta ge namban da woji pa che go na ani Young Gaserico Namya Tseni here go there. Tang as a Yamle Jela, that Tendriki Gendriki or the Yendala here go honanda, Sarche go honanda, Jesus Zong go hona, they do any dark as a tramta, that is in the Rogo River.
And so, we can go further into the philosophical explanations, what we call like tenet systems or philosophical explanations. Going into kind of breaking down different philosophical presentations of emptiness. And so if you just want to practice for yourself, it's not really necessary to go into that. But if you ever think that you might want to teach or explain this to other people, if you ever think you need to debate to kind of disprove someone's wrong view about something, or if you ever want to, to have students that are going to seek guidance from you, who you are going to care for, then it's really important actually to go into the philosophical explanations.
And then this Chena Damaso, Dayang Gazere, Deni singing it, number 10, then he go to don't take it on a young. Padupola, then Dendukala, said he got the Demba Sini, then the main care than the Tagore. Telamatu young somebody reading the Zoya Jomadese.
And so then, at that point, we get into the explanation and presentation of what we call the two truths. And so there's really only one thing there, but when we have to talk about it to someone, we need to talk about it from two perspectives or in two ways. And so that receives then two names. Even though there's only one thing there, there's two names. So we call the two truths.
And then the song that the Danish Trimta doesn't go on the Tenitan Jotun, such a dang it, and Nima Bagata, long of Zobo in because of it, the Cheki.
And so we have to, when we're explaining it, we have to separate that into the two presentations of the two truths. You can't just cram it into one and try and talk about it that way. It doesn't work. And so when we're going to talk about, there are lots of different assertions about the two truths, but I'm particularly going to talk about the presentation according to the Nyingma school.
And in this one, that Deni say Gonata Tarina so de that could they him do serval. They are Jergona, they were checking.
So now I got to talk about this, but now this thing won't stick together if I don't have some tape or something.
Yeah, not. So
this was our square, right?
And the tribute down. And a tribute data also simple those and that making tongue to water. That's making tongue to the Tahati making tongue to water.
And so we have this square and we say, who is it or what is it that sees the square? And we say the eye sees the square. Whose eye sees the square? We say, okay, this monk's eye sees the square.
Yeah. And it that della that the penalty tribute sena nega the tribute say.
And so if someone said that this is a square, then I have to agree and say, yes, it's a square. And that's true. Why is it true? My eyes see it. I see the square with my eyes.
This one's on the tribute making tongue. That being a tribute in Tongamate, then you make like you may be going to tribute tongue.
And so it's not just that I see it with my eyes, but it's that there is no, no fault in my eyes. Like my eyes are seeing, like, like I don't have some eye disease or something like that. I'm seeing what's actually there. And so I see the square.
Then the teninda kunzo imbi jimsen de teni loan truba yoda chibas. That's the down dini young yoda you chin gun some tango. The children loan truba sound the yoda chiba sound. Neg di unichena di trod yore tangitari di tribute somebody trod yore de. Ko ina and regular captain low nigitani need low te young tror. You're the tribute young, ko turned the retrabmena koron tribute apagila tenda uchi, then yudicala, then loan to be yodichi by imbina, and a case de la kunzo demba say.
And so now when we're going to talk about this square, we talk about it and we say that it is conventional truth. And so the word conventional truth literally in Tibetan means fictitious truth or false truth, the literal word. And so what the definition of something which is conventional or fictitious truth is means a deluded mind together with the object of that mind. So anytime you're talking about the two truths in a presentation of the two truths, you have to think about in the context of that truth, both the subjective mind as well as its object. And so when we're talking about this square, then my I consciousness as an ordinary being is in a certain sense a deluded consciousness. And its object, seeing the square, which in reality doesn't exist, though it is in this context appearing to me in a way which it is appearing to my eyes. And so the object, the square, as well as the subjective mind in that context are what are referred to as conventional or fictitious truth.
Ta dari pente ta ge lab song song di jana matak. Ta ka se tong ba ni ma to ngen te so la te so ge te ni tong ba ni te la zo se la hu yo re.
So it's just like what the Pandita Janamitra said before, that the people who don't realize emptiness, they see what is in fact emptiness as form. They think it's form.
Ta tere ta tenda song zang ka la ko nga so ge na wa ta de chi ni long ta thu ba la de ge ma re te ko nang lo la de ge re da ko ri ki yor da ko tende chi ge ko dan de ngu ni ta thu ba la me na yang ko ka se nga so de lon ra pa chupi ge na wan di ge nu la di ko chama de cham ma to le che ma tha indi ka la ani di ta ka se kun ji de ba re lo ya kun ji de ba re yor te ya kun ji de ba re da.
And so in terms of the way that those things appear to us, even though that appearance, that thing as it appears, doesn't exist in the true reality, it's still appearing there. And even though it doesn't exist in the ultimate reality, to our very coarse mind, our conventional or fictitious level of mind, that's the only level that we're able to function on as an ordinary being who hasn't realized emptiness. And so in that state, that is conventionally true. It is fictitiously on this level of fictitious truth. It is true. And so the square, the object of mind, is fictitious truth, conventional truth, as is the I consciousness which sees that object.
Ni tari lai ba ta yab da zo ta cha chon du ta de la kun re ta de tham chi ko mde ba re de khor ta de chung de zo cha de yor ta.
And so the literal etymology of the word conventional or fictitious truth, it means everything false truth. And so really this has all of that. It has everything. It has all of these different parts. It has different shapes, different subatomic particles and so forth. All of those things are fake. They're all false. They don't exist in the true reality. But ani di demba in bijim sindi.
Demba in bijim sindi ta nga so ka se lo ne me khurang te na demba cha di ko.
And the reason why we can say even though all of this, everything that makes this up is false to our ordinary level of mind, which is unafflicted in terms of I don't have some disease which is affecting my vision that's making me to see white instead of yellow or something like that, or making me see lines in my vision or whatever. To that kind of unaffected consciousness, I see it and it works. It's true to that level of consciousness. So that's why it's conventional truth or fictitious truth.
Ani da namjung so ta metsu che sauna tang mare wa ko dana ji dilan nan kare napkhe se mare napkhe ji do se chele ji na se ji yog ye ma do kai sauna tang mare wa.
And so normally we never think about any of this, right? We just pick up the napkin, we wipe our face with it, we throw it away, right? But now when we look at it, there's really a show. We can really see the show when we look into this,
Yeah. Make nana
there's so much to look at, such a fun show to look at. We can stare at it until it hurts our eyes. So later, after you've wiped your face with it, then look at it really.
Yeah. Oh, did that song that? 아니 군다 세다 다다데리 다 코카세 템바리 다 던덤세 온드갈다 티디세야다 아 롱디 마섬 제메 던덤 데빈 세닉세 데송도와 뭐 롱디 마섬 제메 던덤 데빈 세닉세기도
And so in the Kempo Kumpel, these definitions of the fictitious and ultimate truth are coming from Kempo Kumpel, his commentary to the Chunjugi Jogorwala, in his commentary to the Bodhicharyavatara, the way of the Bodhisattva. And so he says that the definition of the ultimate truth is that which is beyond mind, which is unthinkable and inexpressible. Sorry.
다 텔라다 롱디 세온도다 가센드라오지 다 히르고 ጻ르데 마마만 로게데 반산데라 땅가서 로이다 자니코 다 찌마타비 사잘라브레다 코다 로리 콘디레다.
And so when it says it's beyond mind, what it means is that when we're seeking out with our sublime intelligence, that wisdom, prajna wisdom, and we're using our mind to analyze and to get down to that true reality, at a certain point, we reach a point where that ordinary mind can't go any further. That ordinary mind can't itself conclude or can't itself see the ultimate reality. It is beyond that level of ordinary mind.
다 춘이게 링통 그 세다는 가서 로데 럽투고 말다. 차르디 야나 답베디 가서 짜르 뭐지 디네 야코베데다 야 가세다 가세온 거 답베고 나그 얘기는 냐바지 여번은 딱히 라과디가 야 누구 말이었다. 그 가세 nhập特特기 누구래 마도 따딜 nhập투고 말이. 데코 대가로 숙세 조르거다.
And so, our ordinary mind can't penetrate the depths of the true reality. And so just like if we had a metal pole that went all the way to the extent of space, our arm can't reach to the top of it. We reach as far as we can and then we run out of power, and so it's the same.
근데 손단다 가지를 로렌 디빅 아니다 가세리 기 마섬 제메시다 마와다 삼바다 제바 탐키리 되니 가세린 디빅 잉스도.
And so it is that that basic space which goes beyond the mind, which you can't talk about, you can't think about, you can't express it, you can't say what it is.
된다 손단다 견조 고난노네 단담 로이 껴여미 론 근저이 만데 송요레.
And so in the Bodhicharyavatara, the way of the Bodhisattva, there's a line in the root text that says the ultimate is not the object of mind. So when it's using the word mind, it's always talking about conventional mind. It's not talking about primordial wisdom or something like that. So it says that the ultimate is not the object of mind. Mind itself is conventional.
다데 트빈 파르 모친저 롱체바게 데니 존징 트바다 트라비 니로 데 던덤데 빈치니 쓰기도.
And so in the precious treasury of tenet systems or philosophical systems by the omniscient Longchenpa, he gives as a definition of the ultimate truth, it is the true reality which is beyond the elaborations or separate from any of the elaborations of subject and object duality.
다 종마다 여다 유쟁이 나바치니 다 야송마 디기타 데소다 디디 찬로를 가서 로 찬로요.
So anything that has a subject and an object is automatically going to be the ordinary level of mind.
다 종종 트바다 기비다 나바츠 능딩에 디기타 데소라 근접지 뎀바 송도.
And so anything which has the the thoughts or conceptual elaborations that involve a subject and an object is referred to as conventional truth.
나서 야, 다 된데 송자 아닌다. 나서 다 될라 뎀바니 세. 다 된데지 야고레.
And so that's the way that these two truths are presented, that fictitious or conventional level of truth and the ultimate truth.
라소 다 틈타 라이문다와 마모 야딩에다 데라 때니다 딘리기다 데니 남얀 조동 알라 때지니 애니 틈타 토멘티기다 다 용디기요레.
So most of these various philosophical tenet systems, the different kind of presentations of Buddhist philosophy are largely distinguished by the way that they present the two truths.
다 오마 랑주바긴 오마 타라니 세데야데야 다 덴지지레 다 당보베 간자 레 당보바 데소 라 테네 추 땡동고니 테네 히온디칼라 다 오마 랑주바 생게데레 다데 번 켄체 히완소 오마 젠생게도 베 탈라키바 할레 다무 요레스타 데소.
And so, there's this distinction that I mentioned before between these two schools of the Madhyamaka schools, the Prasangika and the Svatantrika school. And so the really excellent, skillful way of presenting this middle way philosophy to a beginner is through this Svatantrika system, which in Tibet, one of the most famous, texts is the text by Shantarakshita, which is called The Ornament of the Middle Way.
아니 다 공급에 대니디 세체 남자 세체 딱 가서 다다 참아 다 조글라서 뭐 의본들 때니다 다 그기여라 다 가서 강한 참아 될 때니 좀 그여라 대 송단데 의본데 탕치 참아 되네 가세리디 다다 조메 드라메 세나게 지니마 똥니데 때라 팝체니 똥니데 코랑 똥바 대가랑디 던덤을 야지니
And so in the Shantarakshita's system, in the system of the ornament of the middle way, then he divides the two truths. He talks about them separately. So first, he talks about all of these, conventional objects, forms and so forth. And so it's through these ordinary things that can be consciousness, objects, whatever. It is through our kind of delusion or our confusion about those objects that all of our difficulties come from. And so first he presents all of those, and then he talks about how all of those things are empty in the same way that the Heart Sutra says, there is no eye, no ear, no nose, no, and so forth. And so he separates the two truths. He says things exist conventionally, don't exist ultimately.
아니 타마데 다가세 똥니데 망보 곰지니다 빼 곰야다 녀야다 데고니다 우니타니게다 지 추데서 탐시탐니 다 가야다 매반다고다 빼드고 다지 빼드 매반다고지 다가세는 통도고요 된다고 간사데.
And so a person who goes through that tradition at a certain point after they've listened to a lot of teachings and meditated a lot on this meaning of emptiness is going to come to a place in their meditation where it seems to them that nothing exists at all.
다고 매바된 통계를 다 된데 지용데 되는 땜르그 나와데 샤롱 그러다. 다 땜르그 나와데야 샤롱도 깔. 다고 매빈 타니 양자 야 롱체니. 야야야 롱데 반삼 찔렀더니 코페다 똥바당 땜중 나와니 되더니 고냐바치 차로디 깔라 따와타도 차르다.
And so at a certain point, as they are in that state of seeing that nothing exists, all of these, ordinary interdependent appearances arise to them. And so even though they're in that experience of this nothingness, these appearances of interdependence arise to them. And so they arise out of that, extreme situation of nothingness or of absolute, non-existence. And at a certain point, the experience of emptiness and the experience of interdependence become equalized. And it's at that point that they could say that they have reached the ultimate level of the view.
도자나 지수송을 체대를 배게 송자다. 다 대면은 가서 당부 냠내 쟁에서 똥바이나 임비 타야 맞추. 제 인지레 나지마 섬제 되네 바데 지 대데나 되네 가만 통바를 왔다 지 바지 국반다레스.
So Mipam Rinpoche considers this extremely important, this procedure, in order to really bring a student onto the path, in order to really care for them, because otherwise, if you don't go step by step in this way and you just say everything's emptiness, then the student may just think, yeah, it probably is emptiness, but not come to any actual definitive conclusion to that about that for themselves, and they just sit there in this kind of blank state, without,
No, I know nose, no mouth. Can't say like that.
No eye, no nose, no
Yeah,
mouth.
no, like this. Yeah. That the injury, that was it. Don't need the injury.
They think, yeah, it must be the case. I guess emptiness is like that.
Many maybe turn kaya tonya maris.
Even though things don't exist in that ultimate level, they don't actually see why they don't exist in that.
Yeah, probably it's emptiness.
It's probably emptiness.
Oh, that the chena that the thing asota shirap last one shirap was.
But if we proceeded in that way, then that is lacking this discriminating, this sublime intelligence, that wisdom of discriminating intelligence.
That the ko kasiri mena maybe tachi yime tsadalendona. Ane kasiri the no temjong the sharung the gala. Then he make you nika tungresriba.
And so, but rather than that, if things don't exist, then we should come to that conclusion that they don't exist. If they don't exist in that way, they don't exist ultimately, whatever. We need to have a definitive conclusion, a certainty about that. And if we do that and we come to that conclusion that things are groundless and rootless, then we meditate in that way until we see that completely. Then we see the arising of the interdependence. Then it's like we have two eyes that can see the complete picture of reality.
Yeah, that only jibjurka tangani. The dark I said echo pantong was that.
And at that point, then one will really see the real meaning, the real intent of the four applications of emptiness.
Real, senadi garela.
Nguni,
Alenguni, real. Okay. And they did a real tongore, real shigore.
you really need to see, you really need to know.
Okay. Yeah, they did. Yeah, that day, Anita Tawa, that been touched, say data, do the
And so in brief, to summarize, to recap then, that is what I was just talking about there is like the procedure by which you need to make a conclusion about the view of reality.
That data will be a dark as you to the top data, copy tone. That dig tola, tontula, the name, Cassie mine, Pachini, the Yawadela, Gom, Sondua.
And so then when we have that object, which is that, freedom from all conceptual elaborations, and then we rest without distraction in the seeing of that object, that's what we call meditation.
And then that decomes Latin, that Rondan Jimmy Sonata, Singata, go passing into the young race, Singo to single race.
And so then Rangdun, the composer of this text that Ken Rinpoche is basing his outline on from this teaching, he says that when you're in that state of meditation, then these faults of meditation, these difficulties of meditation of dullness and agitation are going to come up, and you need to recognize those and work with them.
Oh, so that did single to so called that me.
But I'm not going to get into that actually.
And that digita that tell us about cup de ducalata sen say take the money be getting Nanto Tare Tore. The Dene Catcher Mambo Shasona, young de reparted the Nanto Korang and Jachin town the color, then Nanto de Sotanji, Ranya Ranzel and Dobres.
So just a bit about that, though, is that when you're in that state and your mind is not able to rest single-pointedly in your object and many distracting thoughts are coming up, then he says that you should take the same reasoning that you proved emptiness on the object that you were meditating on, apply that to the thought itself, the thought that's arising itself, the distracted thought itself. And when you see that with the emptiness, with the same reasoning that you were seeing emptiness of the object of your meditation, then those thoughts will automatically or naturally dissipate.
That tender would that yam yala, then a bed detail such a urine, such a comb, then it that jit up the segore songo. That jit up, then it's nya, grow, dog long cups al tepa, jana, jandrona, then echo yam genie boticali calindregre sontua.
And then he says that when you are becoming very familiar, you've been practicing the meditative absorption, the real, you've been extending and practicing for a long period in your meditation, then at a certain point you need to start, bringing that experience of the meditative period into your post-meditative, into your subsequent day-to-day life, in terms of, your ordinary activities of eating, sleeping, going, sitting, all of those kind of things. And at a certain point, when you start to apply that meditative experience in your post-meditation, eventually you'll start to merge and kind of come to a point where your meditation and non-meditation are merging.
No, that's a bad dig. Any other Tony Jibjogripa, Gondong, the Tiba, then if you try in that.
And so now I've concluded, the discussion of the 4 applications of emptiness and then how one would put that into practice. Today, we're just never going to run out of time, it seems.
I don't know.
Kimball asked me earlier, how much time do we have? I said, a whole hour. He's like, what? I thought it was, thought we were running way shorter on time.
Oh, that thing I saw me said that the Trabaku, this homes are the young egg that Deni, Stasungo Cola. I think Kahiti Shugendas.
Okay, and so now I think we don't really have a good setup here for questions and answers today. So I think I want to talk a little bit now about the union of the 2 truths.
That day, that day is Kalikota. Ani that day, Masoda Nanjurk, Tan Jango, Mohan Muchik. The Netwoma Jen on it, and the Legit song shadow. That dingy that Deni, Sunjoku call him with us.
So now I'm going to talk a little bit about what Jamgo Mipam Rinpoche said in his commentary to the that ornament of the middle way I was talking about before from Chantrashita. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about what Mipam Rinpoche says in his commentary to that text about the union of the 2 truths.
No la carson ta shiji come di nalola ta shija se marela tanga so shiji come dig nalola ya ta shi goya che da to goya che la ta nang tong song den ju pa singe daily tenita teni shi gu che ji o mares ta ti hina shipa thamchi no ta chukti chuba degarang re song yo ta.
So one thing that Mipam Rinpoche said is that amongst all things that anyone could ever know, the one thing that people should know, that they should realize, is the union of appearance and emptiness. And if you know that, there's nothing greater that you could ever know.
Na ta nangba no ne ta tawa thombo rawo jile tsikhi orta o ma thanje ba ta uni khorong ta di to ja se gu mare ba ta thato gu tan rawore.
And so seeing then that things as they appear they are emptiness, and as they are empty they appear. Seeing emptiness and appearance as in an unbiased manner, meaning that one's not more important than the other, or you don't see one more than the other, is considered like a very high level, like the highest level of realization in the presentations of the Madhyamaka, in particular the Prasangika Madhyamaka school.
Nazo ta di nulan de songya ta di rangjuba da tanjuba ta dini de ma ta jani songya do. Tene chesi chute ge teng de deni soso yemba yoje reins ta chute ge teng na pena ta hida na so tendo na khen che ge teng na se ba o de da kunzob de bare das o di no de na yang tondom de ba singite logare da se tendri ge da demba ni ani che ge teng na ta yemba soso yoje rein se ba.
And so Mipam Rinpoche says that as long as one has a grasping at there being a distinction between the 2 truths of an object, like for example, let's go back to the napkin and we say, okay, this is the conventional truth of the napkin, and over here is the emptiness or the true reality, the ultimate truth of the napkin. As long as you have a grasping at them being separate,
유딩어스 타니 체럽당세 대예 데메니 마도 광고 냠라스 다 대치 온데 다 디디가로 타니에 대해서 담지 세미 두그레 생긴다고 그래봐 던덤돼서 단지 여 말에다 데메리 생긴다고 지체니 디 남도데 짠이 도구 말에 세다가서 로그 나노라 다 레바노 세는데 로그 노노라 타니에 여 던덤데 메 세데 짠이 도구 말에 데그레 세게 디티바티.
And so, as long as we have the grasping at the separation or the separate existence of those two truths, then we'll never be able to overcome our thinking that conventional things really exist, that they are truly like established by a valid perception, like that our seeing them with a ordinary mind like proves that they exist. We'll never be able to counter that. We'll never be able to overcome that thinking, and we'll also never be able to overcome the grasping that things don't ultimately. That things are ultimately non-existent. So we won't be able to counter those two thoughts, which are not the ultimate realization.
다 데니 소소 현비 열 르피 순총는 점바 참 다와나스 데니 고념도 크게 주바다 다완조로스 다 반삼 딜라다디 현바니 데야 파쳐제니 그래봐 디 현바 데파 매바 차송아이나스 아니 다 데니 데군이 다 찍죠 당고 냠니로 당고 냠세 토메 주니 매바 다 현바디 최로디 갈라 아니 고냠디 차도 그래.
But once you are able to overcome that, once you're able to cut through the objects of grasping, the 가르쳐그래 다 타니 제주기요데 쳐봐대. 가르쳐그래.
다 데니 소소 현바디.
Oh yeah.
디 현바디 거기 레바논의 최로디 갑되나 아니 주바다 단도 그래.
So once you can cut through your grasping at the two truths, that grasping at them being separate, or this being the conventional, this being the ultimate, once you cut through that grasping, then you can reach the point where you have realized or recognized the equality of the two truths, so the union of two truths, which means that it's not as if appearance is more important than emptiness or emptiness is more important than appearance, but that they are equalized.
라서 다 텐데 송다 체나발디 칭데데 자운데서 고칼에 커본다고 도와 아니 게 딜리테스마 드님바 휴게스.
And so I think maybe just that brief explanation of this quotation that I'm summarizing from Mipam Rinpoche is a little bit hard to understand. So I'm going to go into that a little bit more. I'll give you another summary in my own words.
Okay. 다 치롱소 나디 포르토 고 까보지 사우나 마땅 어디니 뿌기 칭칭 뭐지
Okay, so don't think that I'm this old guy here with white hair. Think I'm a little kid going around like this, okay?
다 보고든 로레와 다고 판디도지는 되게 다 강반님기다. 가서 판디도지리 째기 파 천디도지 째기 쭈지는 로고면 돼. 다고 보고데 내리진 로고도
Think about little toddlers, when they're walking around, they almost fall every time they step onto one foot. So they got to really support themselves on one leg. And then they step with their other leg, they almost fall. They have to support themselves on the other leg, don't they?
다 대나기지니 추기 내lok데 쳇다와기는 통마 타운데 다마 해야다 고미야데 깔레 커보여다 대송다 파 근조고 때는 파진 총기 쳇던동 때는 땡시진 총기 데 디니 버를 지 만디 서치니 찰레 졸레진 로댕이라고 차기도 와세 데니 소소 현바 요거는 파파한데 해자 쳇쳇데 해자 디 마리 서진 로데야라고 차기 오래.
And so as long as you're still grasping at the two truths as being separate, at the individual, like grasping at them individually, then what's always going to happen, it's going to be very hard to reach some stable meditation or realization, because you're always trying to explain conventional reality in its own terms. You're trying to explain conventional valid phenomena in terms of a conventional experience of reality. And then you jump back into the ultimate, trying to realize emptiness. And then you are falling back into this conventional and then falling back into this ultimate. And so you're almost falling into one. Every time you go to one, you almost fall completely into that one. and you have to like hold yourself in that one. And so as long as you still have the grasping at them being separate, it becomes very difficult to stabilize or to equalize those things.
다 대가서 가서 대니가 더 졌다와지도 마도 마시 다티 쿠바노로 코페티 다 가서 다 말해나 가래 똑바로 가서 인지가 다 다티 요차디갈 다티 제야래 다고 파파지 츠츠 제야래 왔어.
And so that's just coming from a lack of realization, a lack of understanding, or a doubt about the nature of reality. That's going to cause us to keep falling back and forth.
다 대송다 다 대기 다 파텐 츠네 제 마구바 코 눈이 가서 니로 치타와지는 통송바이나 아니 가서리 데니 소스 햄바그 뚜바디 최차디갈라 아니 다 여기 니로 타도디다 통도 요래 바길라.
But for us to no longer need to keep falling back and forth, stabilizing ourselves from side to side, then we need to see the true reality. We need to see that true reality, and when we see that, then we'll cut through that grasping at the two truths, like grasping them individually.
딱 나서 배드 보사야 차차디 갈때니 고 강반니 갈 흉자 따 차려왔더니 된 통차디 갈때니 고 지리로야다 파땡 거야 쳇땡 거야 문도 왔어.
And so once you've become like a grown up, like a teenager or something, you've got some power. You can move independently. You no longer need to catch yourself on either side as you step.
다 된다고 그래. 다 대선상 여제기 때문에 나와 대한 통, 뽕바 대한 통, 성도 주바 대한 통, 디님은 가봤더니 통도 되니 니로도 또 후요레스.
And so when you see an object and you see the appearance and the emptiness as a union, and you see that they're not contradictory, that emptiness and appearance don't contradict each other, but are a union, then you see the true reality.
다 된데 송단다 같이 너도 손은 단 장고 뭐하는 무치겠다 된지겠다 같이 추기 니로 뽑아대 아니 다 된지 고유다 나도 리스 맞히지 고유.
And so then to summarize again what Mipam Rinpoche said, he said to see and to realize the true reality of phenomena, then you need to see that the two truths are the appearance and emptiness in an unbiased manner, that you're not favoring one or the other. And when you see it in that way, when you at that moment, then your mind is also free from all conceptual elaborations.
안테가 나이다 데니마 바치바 말에 아니 샤자와 쫑가바 쳔보게 되네 나와 땜죠 라바 매바다 똥바테 켈렌타베 고아니 지시 소손 좀바 대식데 다동 특히 고마 뽑아메스 나게 렌주 매바 찍혀데 서로 여진 좀바 꾼셰나 대세 따위 제바 조발라.
You're embarrassing me. I used to have that memorized. 다 딩하면 돼 rollier 돼. 데 시그레네 체체냐가 데 laptop이요.
라서
So it's not only the Nyingma school, also in Tsongkhapa's Lamto three principal aspects of the path. Then he says that so when you see or as long as you are grasping at the undeceptive appearances of interdependence and and the understanding that emptiness is without any assertions. As long as you're grasping at the undeceptive appearances of that, of emptiness, or sorry, the having no position about emptiness, basically that it's beyond mind. As long as you have a grasping that that's over here, and these non-deceptive appearances of interdependence are over there, as long as you're grasping them separately, basically as long as you're grasping at the two truths separately,
so as long he said, as long as you're still holding to grasping those as individually, like not as a union but separately, then you have not realized the ultimate intent of the Buddha. And so no matter what you say about it, you can say whatever you want. If as long as you're grasping them separately, you didn't realize it. 서로 다른 특별 고마도 남의 렌주 매바 찍혀댔어.
So then-
찍파야 찍슬랭고 매바 뒤찍라 렌주 매바 찍혀대.
And then at a certain point, when you see them without alternating simultaneously,
지금도 말씀드렸는데 다른 특별 고마도 이제 남의 렌주 매바 찍혀대. 서로 여진 좀 바꾼 식네스.
and you eliminate all grasping at any
여진
object.
좀 탐지 식. 코베디 데니라 렌주 제무고바 로이 뚜바 탐지 식도 비체나.
And so at the point when you no longer see them with any altering between one or the other, but you see them simultaneously and have eliminated all thoughts about them. So there's no longer a separation between the two truths, and mind is also free from all conceptual elaborations. At that point,
다 대체 특별 공부 줘발라스. 다 산지 좀 된데 그 공부디 다 대리 다 저런 가서 줘발해 똑바래.
so at that point, you have perfected the intention of the Buddha.
다 데니라 렌주 매바 샘나더니 가서 다 좀바 탐지다 트라나. 아니 대두가라다 특별 공부 똑바래.
So at the point where you are no longer seeing the two truths in an alternating manner, but you see them simultaneously, and all of your, conceptual mind or your thoughts in reference to that have been eliminated. And then at that point, you have perfected or realized the intent of the Buddha.
아니 까마바랑 정도지게. 여바 마이 자비짱마세 매바 마이 콘디꾼지야 간다 마이 숨도 우밀라 다들 샘진일로 떠봐휴 소 여바 말에 가서 자비 생기도
And so then the Karmapa, Rangjung Dorje, he said that it doesn't exist because the Buddhas also don't see it in that way. 매번
당아서 통고는 다 찾아대면 통고 그러봐
So if someone's going to,
통타면 더
so if you want to see it, someone's got to see it, and if the Buddha can't see it, then no one can see it.
매바 마이 콘디꾼지야
It's also not non-existent because it is the ground of both samsara and nirvana.
여바 마이 자비짱 매바 마이 콘디꾼 간다 마이 숨도 우밀라 다 예매닝 가라텐데 말에 디니 숨조그리 마도 가와텐데 말에다스
It's not, they're not contradictory. They are the union, which is the path of the middle way. So existence and non-existence being the two truths in this context.
then 여바 때 draw 까보나기 매바 때 draw 나보나기 근데 코닝 가와지 째긴 참사 사리조도 된다부터는 말해스
And so it's not as if existence or, like conventional truth or non-existence or ultimate truth, it's not as if they're like two contradictory things, like a white snake and a black snake that are like opposing each other.
대송자다 다 탐체 드라이브기다 출근일로데 또바쇼 쓰네 마 잡으래봐
And so the last line of this is an aspiration that may we see that reality which goes beyond all extremes.
나서 아니 근데 송반가라다 그 뭐니 자와조비 산지 좀 된데게 야다 데니 되네 데니들 란죽메바 되네 지바 마체 아니 가세레 다 로이 띠바 말바 탐지 쳐지니 아니 가세레 상지바 나인지니 나가서 베직다 남바 다 마하야나다 티바 침복 아니 가세레다 공부하다부터 된데 제기 받을라던 로고 요레스
So just as the victorious perfect Buddha not only saw the two truths without alteration, but saw them, simultaneously, and not only saw them without alternating, but also the mind seeing them was completely free from any concept. That's how the Buddha attained Buddhahood, was through not only having the two truths or having the understanding that the two truths are not separate, but also the mind viewing that was free from all conceptual elaborations. We also, as followers of the Mahayana Buddhism, also need to continue our practice until we reach that point.
아닌다 다 된다고 다다양 실험님분 레바디다 수인 다다가 대마다 아니 공부 농나다 솔럼 졸럼 통능 공음다 참 저치니 그런데 디마 책에서 저치니야 된지인데 히자비오레
There's another commentary to the Heart Sutra, and I don't remember who the author is right now, but also he goes through and explains the words of the Heart Sutra in accordance with the various paths: the path of accumulation, the path of joining, the path of seeing, the path of meditation, the path of no more learning.
아니 다 데이터 되체는 다 당부배나 초롬지 급대서로 투섬지. 아니 곰lâm 그 급대서 탐지라 때는 mü바 이제 니 zonte 에너지 바 인데 곰. 아니 통lâm 급설라 딱 뭐는 주니 원섬 통 어떤데 신이 자샤 아니 가서야 다 된다고 지던데 나로나.
And so he applies it in this way that when you're in the path of accumulation, you're primarily focused on your hearing and contemplation, like your study of the Dharma. And then when you come into the path of joining, so from the path of accumulation, where you're primarily studying, to the path of joining, where you are practicing with like a Mupa Yiche means literally like working with an imagined object. So basically you're still conceptually working with emptiness. And then you do that, you meditate in that to the point where you directly see emptiness, where you directly realize the true reality at the path of seeing. And so that's the progress, that's the kind of stages that we should practice in. So you should also do that.
다디 빼차디 다다디 제체 히르님분 제체데.
So the commentary is called the Great Commentary or the Great Explanation of the Heart Sutra.
다데서데 자가게 송주레.
It is composed by, those commentaries that I was mentioning are all composed by various Indian masters.
라소 다 제게 송도와 다 공에 제게는 다 내가 스키나 고르그레스 장고 모한 뭐지기 때문에 다 마고에 찔려나 가세 히에나 때는 남칼라 진짜 야바타데 지니 야도레 송도.
So Mipam Rinpoche says that one with understanding will understand from that type of explanation, and one who doesn't have any understanding, what you've said will just dissipate just like a rainbow in the sky.
Oh, laso delis che anita tin jola tin ngaso ta ho manala che ta trin tana ya.
So I'm going to end here for today. So let's go ahead and do some dedications and aspirations. True chik dusa.
Ale.
Lade? Okay. The union of appearance and emptiness. I'll read it out loud. The union of appearance and emptiness arises indisputably in Yishi and Togel. The second one?
Yeah.
Oh, is there a correlation between the middle way space between extremes and a bardo? Which is an indication of the space between has the power to liberate. I don't know what you mean by middle way space. I don't know what is meant by that. Space between extremes. He said, Justin has the problem of not understanding the question. I have the problem of having a sore back. Dadi didachi labgi yori ngay saburang go to mendu. Dadi umage dachi da umage karisagore. Tani ge parogi dachi namka dachi. Didachi segudu. Da tani ge paroge chik ying dachi. Detang bardo ni la drava yore basic.
Oh. On da bardo se dingen dine da kasere. Oh, young chigre. Kali young resident draw right throat. Kala matevigeta. Oh, Dvalata, Parochila. The Rova Recto Kanaya Malabikita Parutana. Parutana. They copy the Shazogda, the name di Kasi Yilu, the summer, you're the then in the Yobati Jagres. Dunga Chechi Jagre, Yobachi Jagres, Hoa Chinji Jagres.
Any?
The Nekaseta, Uma said, then ta di Kasi Ula Yongi Yasuma, and then it will be called Junior Yungumaris. And
so to talk about that, William, So when we're talking about the bardo, we're talking about something that exists. You know, the bardo is this state, which is a state where one has not re-emerged into any of the 6 realms. It's that gap before that. But it is something that exists. It's something where there is suffering. It is samsaric. And so in the middle way, if you think that the space between extremes is something that exists, then you're totally off track with the whole understanding of the middle way. So there's a quote in the the royal, or like the King of Samadhi Sutra, where he says that a skillful person doesn't even abide in the middle. And so the previous line is something like, you know, existence is an extreme, non-existence is another extreme, something like that. And then so a wise one doesn't even abide in the middle. So if you're grasping at some sort of middle, that also is an extreme. And so then you might ask, well, what's the point of calling it the middle then? And so it's just a way of trying to represent or trying to show. It's a method for trying to show that the true reality doesn't fall into any extreme. So it's mere designation of a center.
Oh, dawa yandu sene pugu hihio marta. Ta amageta di dawa dana do sen zumo de te on de kala pugu digen zumo la teni tene ya dawa thongru chena ne ta ko tenje chamres ta ti ko chebares. Ta pansa jele pugu gita yagi ka se dawa de ta ma hiwache amen zumo de dawa res zin so aina. Tene ta tenya go pati thakhi khorang meba da chahi ores tene song ore.
So there's an example given like of a young child, and the young child doesn't know what the moon is. And so the mother wants to show the moon. And so the child doesn't even know that the moon is up there somewhere. And so as a method for showing the child what the moon is, the mother points at the moon. And so then the child learns to know what the moon is by way of the mother's finger. But if the child doesn't learn then that the moon is the thing over there and grasps at the mother's finger, then the method didn't get them anywhere.
Then the song called the Wu said the Castle Chuni Tenze some Talamaniva Tenze some Remato, the knee, they which a yajo mares.
And so when we say center, when the so-called center is posited, it is posited merely as a method to represent not abiding in any extreme. But if you grasp at the center as being some location or something like that, then that itself is an extreme. Dadi kena bashedi nganso de drip top dawachit nyamnan che de anchik tambo de sama tomani de jersing and chidola. Di kap gi nganso bete dachik ying dawachik bete tomba bet tongjang dawachit la chik tongore be de nganso da nangtong zunju tongore be la kandre chik tongoris.
So Tachitang ta danata se trinta uma koshi de yusra and dinona Chetang ta kochi nga kodo teso dine kasere shida madina dixade sireba
Las so
the Chetang da di kaseta da di che Tony said ding de la ta heba mambo yore the mega da mainga singing the mambo yore reba and this hon ta di 제가 상하 몸부지기 놓아 다다디 마인가세 데레 대지 마인가 생긴데 용구요레스.
And so there's another question about sadhana practice and another one about some other practices. And Ken Rinpoche said, I primarily want to just talk about this, kind of middle way philosophy, which is more of a sutra level philosophy. So I think it's better for us not to dive into tantric subjects here. And generally speaking, there are lots of different ways of talking about emptiness. Some which the type of explanation talks about emptiness as what's called a non-implicative negation. And in another one, it's referred to as an implicative negation. And in most of the Vajrayana teachings, when they talk about emptiness, they're talking about it as an implicative negation. Nawa tamchi nupi tachi tongjan da wachi tongurbe da di nang tong zunju tongurbe da kari tongures.
Ta de pena tata ani ta nawa tamchi ke kasere ta nawa tsani mepan da uti pa chadore samna tanane zawani ni mares naman khebun jikpen songres ta nawa tsama megona tani sosu megge pa kugyana mato ta nawa me pa chag marese tani song song.
And so, but to answer this question a little bit, it says during sadhana practice at the beginning, you dissolve everything into emptiness. So the question is it a situation where you want to see like this utter voidness to clear everything away and see this vacuity, or is it more about recognizing the union of appearance and emptiness without clearing everything away? And so Ken Rinpoche started by saying that Khenpo Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche, at one point, he said, if you think that by meditating on emptiness, you're going to eliminate all appearances, the only way you're going to do that is by tearing your eyes out.
And then this kalada penaji kasenko pena nge tari he jabare da kasere zo tongba was tongba ni zo zo kan ba tega rang la tongba thongore ma to ji te pha pipi gi tene tongba ni me se tari to ni yibjo no song re te song ta umi khowa ta de chena te ro chi tene di hi go bi ke ja to go bi ke ja re se ma to zo me ba cha go bi ke ja ma re se.
When we're discussing emptiness in general, and particularly in this context of the Madhyamaka and the 4 applications of emptiness, just like what we were saying before, when you're seeing emptiness, you're seeing the emptiness of something. It's not some separate thing or some absence of form in which there is some emptiness. It's like when you see emptiness, it says form is emptiness. Emptiness is that form. When you get rid of the form, there's no emptiness to see.
Ane kunchen chuji jabo longchen ba ge yo tene nal dan jor se yorda ta nam jor se on de kala ta ka se re chik Tada namjo de gombi kopsel tene make de matsamba ya song doa make de matsamba ya on tene ka sere chu kari na tene di ta ka sere namba de tongjo re di namba de tongjo di ge tene di ni lok de tong di kala tari te na yere ta zo tong bo tong ba ni zo na ye ten tong di ane ka sere di so so ge le nyam nang de je ji yo song doa ma do de song yo re de song da da nga so di And so the
omniscient one, Longchenpa, was talking about the word yoga, or which means kind of like a return to the natural state or an original state or something like that. And so he's talking about, when describing that, he's talking about when you're meditating, how you should not close your eyes when you're meditating, but your eyes should be open. And the reason for that is that when you practice with your eyes open, you're still going to see the kind of the shapes and forms of things that appear to your eyes. And when you're having that understanding or that realization, then you're going to start realizing the nature of the things that are appearing to you. And so it's just coming back to what we were talking about with, the 4 applications of emptiness is form, form is emptiness, and so forth. When you start to see that, then you start to understand that those things that you see themselves are emptiness, and that emptiness itself is those things. But if you get rid of the appearances of things, then there is no emptiness to see.
Lasso.
Okay, so I think we can conclude there, and we'll say.
Lasso Anita Tamchila. Oh, Caseretani Gondo Delek.
So good night, everyone.
Ani. Okay,
I said everything. There's nothing more for me to say.
Okay. Ani Good night.
Sonam di segure.
Oh, sunam
De tamje zepa ni tomye ni pe danam pamje ni chega na je bala truba ye sipe
Sipin
chole
cholen
drowa
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 sho.